Right, so now more for unboxings. For my motherboard, I went with a Asrock Fatality 990 FX Killer. Fatality's well-known gamer, so I trust it and hope I can game as well as him one day. On the top right, it's just information about their Killer E2200 LAN series. So with their new LAN E2200, it prioritises your gaming over your other network use. And then just below that, there's XSplit free bundle, so we can use that for streaming to Twitch, which I'll have to give a try sometime. Getting down there, it's just more about XSplit. Now we've got our AMD 9 series chipset, compatible with the FX unlocked. AMD Crossfire, which I won't worry about. SLI, just trying to get to autofocus here, which doesn't want to do. Works with Windows 8. Again, your Killer E2200. Flipping it over. Just got more about the E2200 again. We'll go down to the M2 socket. So it's meant to be twice as fast. I don't have a SSD capable of that yet, so maybe in the future we'll have a look. It's got Purity sound with its two different chips built into one. Gaming armor just talks about the connectors, gold fingers. It's got gold caps, which you'll see when we open the box. Quick overview of the motherboard. More about your XSplit and Twitch streaming, and that's about it. So let's open it up. Here we go, guys. Open it up. It's got a nice black backplate, as I call it. Some call it IO. Don't know what this is. That's your SLI bridge, so we don't have to worry about that. SATA 3 connectors. There's two in there. One straight, one's right angle. More SATA connectors again. One straight, one right angle. Software setup guide. Installation guide. Your screw. That seems to come with every motherboard. Then they open it up and have a look at the motherboard itself. So just pull it out of its anti-static bag. And I don't know if you can see, but it comes with this foam all the way around. It's just for transit protection, I guess. You got your coloured RAM slots. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 16 times PCI. There's a 1 and another one down there for your 1 times PCI. Over here we have our Purity, and then our Killer E2200 LAN chip. In the middle we've just got some branding. Over here, nice feature I don't mind, is a inbuilt USB 3.0 port. Nice heatsink up near the CPU, and you can see these gold caps all over the board. And then another heatsink down there for the south bridge. Got our SATA connectors there, and then your front headers down the bottom, and your 24-pin connectors up on the side on this board. So the outputs on the motherboard, you've got your mouse and keyboard. What's this? 2, 4, 6 USB 2.0s, 4 3.0s, Firewire, Ethernet. That's with our E2200, and then all your sounds, so 7.1 sound with optical built in.